Hello friends, myself Dr. Deepti Jain, gynecologist. Today we will be discussing about that when we do pregnancy test, why sometimes a faint line comes. We are very commonly using pregnancy kits to confirm the pregnancy at home. When a single line comes, it is clear that there is no pregnancy. When there are two dark lines, it is again clear that pregnancy is confirmed. But the confusion arises when one is a dark line and other very faint or a light pink color line we see. So why a faint line comes? So what are the reasons that why we get this faint line? For that, first we have to understand that why these two lines come when pregnancy is there. Basically, when pregnancy occurs in the body, then beta HCG levels in the body increases, and this beta HCG is also secreted in the urine, and because of this beta HCG, we get two lines in the pregnancy kits. So what happens? Sometimes when you check pregnancy at a very early stage, that means you have just missed your period, or even if you have not missed your period, it's 2-4 days before you miss your period and you are confused or you are anxious and you checked for pregnancy too early, then what happens? There would be a beta HCG level increase in the body, but it wouldn't be too high. So again, as a result of which in the urine also beta HCG will be there, but the amount will be very less. As a result of which, when you will test in the pregnancy kit, you will get a faint line. That means it is because of it's a very early pregnancy. So this is the most common reason that why sometimes faint line comes. So how can you confirm that it is actually because of early pregnancy or something else? So very easy. You repeat the test after 3-4 days. Thus faint line will become dark. So this is the commonest reason. But there are many other reasons that you may get a faint line. Second important cause that you may get a faint line is that it is an ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy means you don't have an intrauterine pregnancy. That means pregnancy is there, but it is not inside the uterus. It is outside the uterus, that is either in the fallopian tubes or the ovaries. So what happens when it's an extrauterine pregnancy or an ectopic pregnancy? Again the level of beta HCG are not very high. So what happens in ectopic pregnancy? You have not checked it earlier. You are checking it at the right time. You have missed your period. Even a week has passed, but still you are getting a faint line. So one reason may be ectopic pregnancy, because ectopic pregnancy secretes lesser values of beta HCG. Ectopic pregnancy is a life-threatening condition because this pregnancy may rupture inside the body and a significant bleeding may start. So definitely you need to consult your gynecologist if you have a faint line, so that at least confirmation can be done that it is not a case of ectopic pregnancy. Third important cause that yes, you are not checking it just before your period, or 2 weeks have passed or 3 weeks have passed that you have missed your period, but still the line is coming faint. Why? So sometimes what may happen that because the pregnancy is not continuing, it's not a live pregnancy, it has already aborted and you are not knowing it, that means bleeding has not started, but it is a case of missed abortion. That means already inside the uterus it has stopped growing. So as a result of which you check it at 6 weeks or 7 weeks of your last period, you are checking it at the right time, but it is coming as a faint line. This can be made clear by repeating tests of beta HCG in blood and by sonography. So a missed abortion again is an important cause of faint line. You would have heard of a terminology, chemical pregnancy. Sometimes you get a very faint line, and a few days after that you get your periods, but that line was definitely faint at that time, and you get blood test also and it came out to be positive, but nothing is visible in the sonography. So many times it's just a chemical pregnancy. That means beta HCG level goes high, but we are not able to see any gestational sac in the sonography, and also periods come after some time. So that is again another important cause of a faint line. Sometimes what we do, we are not checking it on the correct time. See, pregnancy kits have a manual written leaflet with them that you have to check the test after 3 minutes or within 3 to 5 minutes of putting the urine. Usually it is 3 minutes or it may be 3 to 5 minutes as per described on the leaflet, and you have to check at that time only. Sometimes when you leave the pregnancy kit over there and check it after 10 minutes, so what happens, you get an evaporation line. So a very faint line may appear just because of a wrong timing of checking that pregnancy kit. So you have to check it on the scheduled time as described in the leaflet of the pregnancy kit, right? So these are the common reasons why you get a faint line in the pregnancy kit. So for confirmation, whenever we are in a confused status, we are not knowing that why this faint line is there, we have certain confirmatory methods by which we can confirm the cause of this faint line. The most important test is a blood test. We confirm it by beta HCG values in the blood. So with that, and there is a specific pattern of beta HCG. Beta HCG doubles itself in 48 hours. Usually when we repeat the test after 48 hours, then we usually get the value doubled up. So that is the indicative of a live growing pregnancy. Right, otherwise we can do sonography also, which is also helpful. So these are the common reasons for getting a faint line in the UPT pregnancy kits done at the home. If you have any confusion or query regarding the same, you can write us down in the comment box section and can subscribe the channel. Thank you.